Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.72 trillion. We are down 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.1%. Obviously, as we know, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, BTC dominance on there is a little inaccurate, but as of recording this video, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.43%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing a continuous, day into cryptocurrency markets with red across the board, especially if we are checking out the last 1 hour. But in the last 24 hours, we are seeing some altcoins, rebound once again, and we are seeing some altcoins up double digits, such as Cosmos. So, we are seeing some sort of green across the board. But if we are looking at the broader picture, guys, we have seen quite a bit of red across the board over the past couple, days. So that's something that we should not be forgetting. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been highly requested on this channel, and that's none other than Terra. All right, my Terra community, I'm bringing you guys an update, and if you guys do enjoy this update, let me know in the comment section below because I will cover this on my channel on a continuous basis. If we are looking at Terra Luna's price right now, guys, we are currently sitting at $66.70. We are up 1.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last, 24 hours. If we are looking at Terra's ranking in the entire cryptocurrency markets, Terra is ranked at that top 9th spot. Market cap right now is $26.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $2.8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Terra is still up, as of recording this video, 7,330%. Even though we are seeing a lot of, correction in the markets, a lot of downward trend, Terra is still up 7,300% and is by far one of the best performing assets over the past year and a half. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff, which we're all here for, the price. What is happening with Terra price and where are we going in the immediate short term? So as you guys can see, Terra is currently trading at $66.57 and it is trading within that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Just a couple days back, guys, before this initial correction for Bitcoin, I'm sorry, not even a correction, more of a crash, we can say. After the Bitcoin crash, before that we saw that Terra was still hovering around 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and you guys know on the Crypto ZX channel we treat this zone whenever the price is in this red zone, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. I personally, this is again my own personal strategy, I tend to treat the price as all-time high territory. So whenever a price is hovering around that range, I think we're still in the all-time high territory. But as you guys may know, Bitcoin did see a crash happen, which we were anticipating on this channel on the Crypto ZX, saying, Bitcoin is hovering at some critical price levels, and if we are unable to hold around those levels, we are expecting a major drop in the Bitcoin price, and that's exactly what happened. We did see the bears take over the bulls, causing the entire markets to plummet towards the downside, and when that happens, you guys know the entire cryptocurrency markets, especially altcoins, do react because everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. Obviously, we can make the case that USDT and stablecoins are not correlated with the price of Bitcoin, but that does not count. That does not count. We're talking about altcoins, and altcoins are all, correlated with the price of Bitcoin. And you guys can see, if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, Terra literally went from $87.90 to all the way down to be exact, $53. So we saw a 40% pullback towards the downside. 40% pullback. We went up all the way from the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level down all the way to that 0.50. There's a strong level of support built up around here for Terra at that $53 mark, and you guys cannot make this up. You guys can see Terra literally touched this level of support and boom, saw a beautiful spike towards the upside. So if you had some buy orders placed in around here, guys, and you picked up some Terra around $53, you're already up 26.3%. You're already up 26.3%. So that's absolutely insane, and that's something that should not be, overlooked right now. But now comes the question that everyone wants to know. What is going to happen with the price of Terra? Are we going to revisit the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and see these prices once again? Or is Terra really, starting to climb back up towards that $76.28 and get back into all-time high territories? So let's get right into it. Before we jump right into that conclusion, we do need to look at the price of Bitcoin, because as I have said earlier, Bitcoin is the king of the markets and it's a leading indicator, so this should not be ignored. So that's why on my channel I tend to look at the price of Bitcoin on a daily basis. Looking at the price of Bitcoin, as you guys can see, Bitcoin has still been hovering around this zone, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We're still above this level of support at that $33,755, and we're still not out of the woods just yet. As you guys may know, today is the weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency market. So I do not take the price action on the weekends, very, very seriously. I take it with a grain of salt. But as we approach into Monday, we need to be paying very, very close eye on the price of Bitcoin, because like I have mentioned, we do need to see Bitcoin above the $36,716 resistance level, and most importantly, if we're able to get back above that $43,582 level, we're on the safer end of the spectrum. But if we're able to not break out of this, zone, that $36,851 in the next coming days, guys, then there's a very, very strong likelihood that we could tumble below that $33,620 mark, which would be the first time ever since July of 21st of last year. So that's something we need to keep an eye out on. Obviously, if Bitcoin does tumble below this level of support, guys, then we could see the price of Luna possibly retouch that $53 mark, depending on how low the price of Bitcoin goes down, because we do have quite a bit of support built in around this zone at the 78.6. So I do expect this support level to play out for us, but there's a major indication that will be given to us if the price of a Bitcoin does break below. That means the steam the bulls have right now is definitely not on their side, so that should not be overlooked. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, has been spiking up. Should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, because you guys may know BTC dominance does tend to, break towards the outside, because money flows back into Bitcoin from altcoins, because Bitcoin does tend to hold way strongly compared to altcoins. So that is not coming as a surprise for us right now. But with all that being said, guys, one thing that I want to point out for you guys is that a lot of people are overlooking one thing about Luna. Luna, as I have mentioned on my channel before, I have never covered this project, as in a detailed video, but I've been getting tremendous amount of requests on my channel to hey, cover Luna, Crypto ZX, we need a Luna update. So what, I'm bringing exactly what you guys want. And with Luna, guys, one thing that a lot of people are not talking about is that the amount of hype there is, and I'm sorry, not even talking about it. I'm sure everyone is aware how much hype Luna has, but this is just not a hype that it's falsely deserved. Luna is unique in its own way, and again, it's one of its own blockchain. This project is its own blockchain, and as you guys may know, over the past 1 year, we have seen new upcoming projects that are their own blockchains, respective blockchains, such as Solana, Cardano, Terra, Avalanche, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain. You guys get the picture. Cosmos. These are new blockchains, upcoming, and they're all competing against one big boy on the, block, and that is Ethereum. You guys know the problem Ethereum has. ETH 2.0 once again delayed. But is that coming as a surprise to any one of us, any OG crypto, investors that have been in the markets for a while? No, absolutely not. This does not come as a surprise to any one of us. And Terra is its own blockchain, and it is, very unique in its own way, and this is causing a lot of hype coming into this project. And I'm a huge fan of this project. Me personally, I'm being quite transparent with you guys. I do not own any Luna right now, but I might be able to pick some up if we do revisit back into these price levels, which we definitely can, but we need to keep a close eye on the price of Bitcoin. But one thing that is being overlooked right now is how fast it has recovered. How fast Luna has literally recovered and gotten back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And if I am bringing out your measuring tool for you guys from the all-time high prices, Luna is literally down 36.0%. So, a lot of people might be saying, hey, Crypto ZX still down 36%, but, let's look at the broader picture. How about let's look at the broader picture? Luna is still up after this major, price drop in the markets, still up 7,330% in the last year alone, and it's still one of the projects that is still hovering in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Very, very bullish indicator, and this really goes to show where this project really is going and how, how strong the hodlers really are. Obviously, for the immediate short term, the price will get impacted when Bitcoin does see these kind of flash crashes. But, we need to monitor altcoins. When altcoins jump up way faster than Bitcoin when it comes to recovery, those are the altcoins that should be on everyone's radar. And obviously, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, Luna, or with any altcoin, you need to have patience in the markets, guys, because we are going to see these kind of price pullbacks. If you're new to the markets, this could be a very scary time, but we are going to see these kind of moves occur. But if you are in for the long haul with Luna, guys, you believe Luna is here to stay, and you believe it could be way bigger in the next coming years, then you want to be staking your Luna, and you could be earning some massive staking rewards off Luna. I know some people, some close friends of mine that are making some crazy amounts off Luna by staking it. So what are you guys waiting for? If you are in it for the long haul and you hold Luna, why not stake it? Because 38% of the supply right now is being staked right now. That's literally off the exchanges, and that does impact the price itself. But not only about the price, it also benefits you if you are holding long term. So you want to be staking your Luna and earning passive income and taking advantage of it, because your holdings get bigger and bigger as time goes by. And also, if we're looking at Google Trends, guys, Google Trends are quite, we did see a spike up back around December 19th to 2025. I'm sorry, to December 19th to December 25th. We did see a major spike, but obviously we have seen the overall Google searches kind of tumble towards the downside, but that should not be coming as a surprise to you guys, because the overall market is kind of on the shaky end of the spectrum right now. So there's a lot of fear coming into the markets. But as you guys may know, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful. So the people that are scooping up the dips right now in projects that they believe in, the ones that have strong fundamentals, utility, and big communities, those are the projects that people are scooping up right now, and those are the people that tend to do well in this market. But right now, what I personally would like for Luna to do is stay above this level of resistance. That would be the bullish end of the spectrum, and try to get back above, back to that $76 mark, guys. That would be something very nice to see, and it's going to shake a lot of people if that happens. Like, a lot of people are going to be shocked and really going to show how strong Luna itself is and how strong the ecosystem is. So this is the next level of resistance that I personally would like Luna to touch at the $76 mark. But I personally, to be quite honest with you guys, would not mind if we revisit these prices, because I might pick some Luna up around there. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see Luna price go at the end of this year? And also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me, guys. Also, follow me on Twitter, link in the description box below. We're trying to reach 1,000 followers, so that would be greatly appreciated. I love you all. We'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.